Now we'll move on to the EC probe, which is a much easier process. The EC probe comes factory calibrated, so there's no need to put it in calibration solution right off the bat. The only thing you'll need to do is go into the Growlink mobile app and configure the equation for that sensor. So to do that, we'll tap on the controller settings again, tap configure modules, tap universal inputs, go to input number 1, label it as TDS, and then you can tap configure analog input. Make sure that current loop is selected, select the metric as electrical conductivity, and that should automatically select the unit of measure as EC. It's the only option available. The minimum value that you want to see here is 4 milliamps, and that will be 0 EC, because that's the minimum value that the probe can detect, and the maximum at 20 milliamps is 5. That's the maximum that this probe can measure. Once you've done that, tap save and tap save again, and that's how we configure the EC probe.